Hello. Okay, so I have this old pair of Air Force Ones that I used to wear a lot, but they got really crusty, so I got another pair. But that pair also got crusty, so I have two pairs of crusty Air Force Ones. So I figured it wouldn't matter if I fucked one up by painting on it. So I'm just gonna be painting on these shoes today. They've been washed, so they're clean, they're ready to go. So I'm gonna see if I can turn them into something that I'll actually start wearing again, because I don't need two pairs of this shoe. Okay, so this is what they look like before. A little close up. And then these are the paints that I use, the Angelus leather paints. I really like them. And then I'm gonna start doing the first layer of pink. I didn't mix anything into the pink, I just used it straight out of the bottle, because I was worried that I wouldn't mix enough and then I'd have to like color match, which is always difficult. So I did 2 full layers, and then I went back a third time to just like touch up areas that might not have gotten fully covered. Yeah, you want to do thin layers because it'll look a lot nicer than if you do like a thick layer. It'll just be a lot neater. So that's the first layer, and I decided to cover the entire shoe with this, even like the bottom sole part. I don't know what that is. And then I went in with a lighter pink that I mixed up, and then I went over the Nike swoops and then that front section just because I liked, I don't know, I just liked how it looked. And then I'm going in with just some straight up white to do kind of like the silhouette of the strawberries all over so that the colors on top will pop. So I did 2 layers of this again, and then I went back a third time to do like touch-ups. And then here, oh yeah, just doing that still. And this paint dries pretty fast, so once you go through a layer and you go back to start another one, it should be dry. So I'm gonna do the red for the strawberries, and I'm kind of leaving a white border because I like the sticker kind of look that it gives. I think it's really cute. So that's what I'm doing. Again, 2 layers and then a third for touch-ups, especially because the red is a little bit more transparent, I feel like. And I use like a small flat angled brush. And then going in with the green, I just mixed green and white, and I honestly only needed 2 layers. I didn't really have to go back for a third because this was pretty opaque. And then just go in with a yellow. I mixed yellow and white, and then I just did a bunch of little dots everywhere, and I only had to do 1 layer of these, and they like stood out pretty well, so just 1 layer. And those was actually fun to do. I like split it out throughout the day so I wasn't like overwhelmed by how much work it was, but I really like how it turned out. And then I decided to lace these with pink ribbon, which is it's so cute. Oh my god. Here I am doing that little speed round. And then for the other shoe, I decided to use red laces. I got these for like $2 at Walmart, and I like the mix and match look. Okay, and so here's the before, and then here's the after. They're so cute, and I feel like painting them like this made them look so much newer than they are. Like I probably wore these for like 3+ years, and the paint like doesn't chip at all. It feels like it's a part of the shoe. So yeah, highly recommend leather paints for this. I don't really know if you can use anything else. I haven't really tried anything else, but I feel like this works really well. And then that's kind of how I set up the backdrop. I don't know why I showed it, but it was a lot. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe if you want, or like follow me on Instagram or TikTok. I post art stuff on there as well. So yeah, thank you.